Here at Chevler, we manufacture paper products for the food industry. We're best known for paper cases for cupcakes and for muffins, and that's what the factory started manufacturing on this site in the 1960s. The heritage actually goes back over 100 years. We are the oldest manufacturer of cupcake cases in the world. We've always found the process of securing finance from Investment Fund for Wales very simple, very straightforward, and most importantly, very quick. Because we need to respond quickly when there is an opportunity. We can't be waiting months and months. And so that's where we find that it's a particularly good source of finance. And particularly the people we deal with are always great. They understand business and they want to help. We heard about the fund a couple of years ago when we were looking for funding to build some bespoke machinery designed and built by ourselves, which is quite difficult to get finance for through conventional lenders. Because what we do is quite niche. Brand new print press would be very expensive. So more recently, we've started designing and building machinery ourselves. The advantage of that is that we can design the machine specifically for what it is we're looking to produce. So the funding actually was for producing this product, which is used for a loaf cake, which you'll typically see in coffee shops, supermarket, in-store bakeries. It's got environmental credentials in that it replaces board. So these can drop into a cavity in the tin, it can be baked in it, and then it's sold in this. So it's cutting down the amount of packaging by about 70%. It's very difficult to make money copying somebody else in manufacture. The key is to put a twist on something, make it a bit different and be agile. So I think the advice I would give is you've got to be different. You've got to be different.